It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl, Juiy T. Hey, and I'm back again with another video. Hey, oh, hey. Hey y'all, it's lit over here, okay? Thank y'all for the love and support, for the comments, for the shares, for the subscribes, for the likes. Keep doing it, y'all. I appreciate it. I'm just trying to go up, okay? Anyways, y'all can already tell we are doing brows, okay? These bushy things. A lot of people do their brows and, you know, makeup and stuff different. Well, you know, they do them different ways. Or they go to somebody and somebody else is doing. But I've been doing my brows since the start of 2016. And we're now in 2020. So it's been 4 years. I've been doing my brows. I used to go to somebody to get them done, but he left and he moved up to Georgia. I'm so sad because my brows was fleek. Do we still say that? I still say it. But I had to learn how to do them because I didn't trust nobody else to really do my brows. And like, why not trust yourself? Hey, if I mess up on my brows, it's my brows. First and foremost, I will clean my brows because y'all can tell my face is kind of oily. I did wash my face and moisturize it and stuff, so. Oh, okay. I thought y'all didn't see the glow. Had to let y'all know. But yeah, I'm just taking some some alcohol, y'all. My bad. Taking some alcohol and like a little cotton pad thing. CVS, drugstore, anywhere, Walmart, they have these. Spraying this with alcohol. Just to, oh, what was that? Just to clean my brows, y'all. No, it don't burn me. No, it's not getting in my eye. Just be careful. Know what you're doing. All right. So after that, ooh. Apparently I didn't wash my face too good this morning. But after that is done, I go in and get this. So apparently my whole makeup bag fell on the floor, so I had to pick it up. But what I was saying was I bought this. And this is eyebrow razors, facial razors. Don't matter who they're from. You can get them from anywhere. I got this from CVS. Or you get it from Walmart. You don't have to get this. You can also get this right here, which I got from the hair store. I always clean the razor because ain't no telling what could be on there. What germs. I'm cleaning on the alcohol cotton pad thing. To start off, I just take me this little spoolie. Y'all, it's supposed to have an end to it, but it broke. So, hey, I'm still using it, y'all. I'm not great at makeup. I just do what works for me. And hey, this is working for me until I purchase another one or until I lose this one to purchase another one. But brush the brows. You kind of see like how you kind of see the line of your brow shape. My brows aren't sisters, they're long lost cousins, so, and I appreciate them. At least they're still family. Hey. So basically, pull it down and you can kind of see that imaginary line right here going across. There, you see that? That imaginary line. So that's what I will be going to. I'll be shaving off the excess hair that's right here. Slowly. This normally takes me like 10 minutes because I want to make sure that I am doing it right. I don't want to make a mistake and go up too far. Okay, so let's just measure this out on the other side. I don't know where I'm supposed to start at. So they could kind of, I can't see. So they could kind of be even. I'm just gonna go like this. And basically, you just go slow. You just keep shaving and cleaning up the brow and follow that imaginary line. Alright, y'all. So after that is done, my bad. I'm just gonna clean them back up with some alcohol. And this doesn't really burn. It kind of burns a little bit, but I'm not gonna die. Alright, the next step that I always do, I fill them in just so I can see how they look when they are filled in, and then I go back in and touch it up. And y'all, like I said, I do not do makeup, so I just use what I got. I don't have no like eyebrow filler thingy, and I don't even know how to use it. So you have mascara, old mascara that's not, you know. And I just go ahead and like kind of do some brush strokes, and I just like fill it in a little bit. And since this is mascara, it gets kind of dark, so you don't want to put too much because your eyebrows can be dark as a lot. So if you have lighter brows, I guess this is not gonna really work for you. But if you have like already dark brows or black brows, this works. But if you know how to use the eyebrow filler thing in, do that. And like, if y'all know how to do that, y'all could show me personally how to do that. You know, leave in the comments, or like if you're one of my friends or something, you have a FaceTime call or something, and y'all could show me and tell me what I need to go out and buy. I will go out and buy it so I can learn how to do it, and I'll come in here and do it with y'all. But as of right now, I don't really know how to do that, so I do what I know how to do, and that's this. Okay, once it's filled in, I go back in with the razor and just clean it up on, if I don't like anything, just go ahead and clean it up. You just follow me on those. But here we have it. brows are done, and this is how I do my brows, y'all. Like I said, if you have any suggestions, any comments on what should I do, and if you're gonna tell me how to like do them the correct way, obviously with the eyebrow pencils and the pomade, or I don't know, I'm sorry y'all, and the other stuff that it's called, let me know down below or text my phone if you have my number, so you know I could learn the correct way or something. But hey, I always hear that makeup is how you do it. What works for you may not work for others, so just do what works for you. And that's what I've been doing. I've been doing what works for me, but I do want to know how to do it, you know, the right way and the other ways and stuff. But thank you for watching this video. It's your girl Juiy T, and I'm out. Okay, but wait first. Comment, like, subscribe, comment, like, subscribe, comment, like, subscribe, comment, like, subscribe. Thank you, and share. I really appreciate it, and y'all stay tuned for the next video. Hey. Oh, thank y'all.